Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will take a look at how to download and install FirsTrade app on iPhone. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're updated whenever we upload a new video. Stick until the very end so you don't miss a single detail. Now the first thing that we will need to do is to go ahead and locate the App Store. So it should be something like this right here. And then once that you have found this, just go right on ahead and click on it to open it. Now you should be able to go to your App Store right here. And then there will be a search bar at the very top. And just go ahead and click on this. And then we're going to be looking for FirsTrade app. So just go ahead and type in FirsTrade. And then just go ahead and click on search on the bottom right. Now the one that we are looking for is this FirsTrade Invest and Trade. So just go ahead and click on this to open this. And then you can go ahead and click on Get right here, which will then go ahead and install your application itself. You might need to go ahead and confirm this. And then just go ahead and wait for the download to finish. Once that this has finished, you can go ahead and open it. And this is how you would go ahead and download and install the FirsTrade app. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.